Today we gonna learn how we can change our eggs cooking style. I have boiled water already. So now it's time to add rice, but you can cool this kind of egg style wherever. Here we have 1 egg, onion, bell pepper, and teeth pikes to close our bell pepper and the cube emoji, but you can use salt. Cut the bell pepper into 2 pieces so that we gonna have an empty bell pepper so that we can put our egg. Then put your small pieces of onion, bell pepper, cube Maggi, and egg, then mix them. Close your belly pepper, but you can use plastic bag if you have it, and put in boiled water. And B, make sure that is not broken. Fix your belly pepper into your boiled water or in your rice. Wait 15 minutes to be ready. After 15 minutes, our egg is ready to be served. The cold of the results will depend on the kind of egg you have. Mine is white, but some other will be yellowish.
Very yummy. Try this at your home, easy, and you can change your cooking style. So enjoy. I hope you learn something new that you can make to your family and they're gonna enjoy your cooking. So it's like omelette but without oil. It's yummy. So try it at your home. Thank you for watching. Let me enjoy my dinner. See you guys. Bye.